Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today. What we find in this market. Market is funky today, I will say. Like good news yesterday for the government shut down. Everybody vote for reopening. And the market react very positive. I remember my friend sent a picture in the traders group, like it was beautiful, but like we gave everything away overnight. I mean, like it's just like I'm gonna show you a spy here. It's like this was the push, and whenever let's say, yeah, like it pushed all the way here, and then it's just all the way down. So yeah, apparently people don't still believe in the move toward the upside. So we're gonna be careful there because yesterday I was able to finish like red, like acceptable, like no bad, but the loan never manifest. So and we have 3 days where the loan haven't manifest when it's looking like if it wants to go way higher. So if it doesn't want to go higher, we're gonna have to figure it out and flip our ideas around that, you know. So, but like, yeah, maybe this lady here have better idea than us because I was telling her that all the names that are there, like in high volume, are names that I don't normally trade. So I'm gonna have to be more nimble and more patient at the open. But right now, I'm pretty sure she's good with those names, so she may have a better idea. So, Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, Davy.
Nice.
It didn't
Nice.
snow.
It didn't snow. I didn't look outside yet.
No, it didn't snow.
Nice.
It didn't accumulate on the snow that we had, and the snow that we have is almost all gone.
Yeah, they
and
say
we're
we have rain.
expecting rain today. So
And the temperature is gonna be higher
I
until
think
Sunday.
4, yes. So,
Then Sunday is -6.
Correct.
So
So
yeah, cool. Nice that you're doing good. Nice that you're enjoying the fact that
And-
we don't have much snow.
for now, right?
Yeah.
Until the rink goes up. And how are you doing?
Pretty good here. Pretty good. I have trouble sleeping again. I am not quality sleep. Like I don't have any quality sleep, but we gonna do the best we can. And I am in a good mood. Like I didn't sleep well.
Yeah, you seem to be.
I feel very balanced. Doesn't seem to be tilted today, so we should be okay with that. So I am looking at the news right now. If there is gonna be any number coming out, there is the 4 weeks build-up options. Hello, and there is the 15 years mortgage rate.
Hello.
Yeah, there is somebody there showing hearts. We love the hearts, so thank you for all your love. It's very well appreciated. So we have core inflation rate month to month. We have core inflation rate year to year. Inflation rate, like regular inflation rate, not the core inflation. So we have CPI and we have initial jobless claim. But as I can see right now, like those numbers they don't have a time on it. That means that there is a high probability that they won't come out because yes, the government is reopening today, but that doesn't mean that. Sorry that I have that alarm. So that doesn't mean that we're gonna get anywhere like we're gonna get the numbers right away. It's just reopening. Everybody's getting back on track and looking like, okay, what is the plan now? When are we gonna be getting those numbers out? Which I don't know. I remember I was asking you yesterday. Like now that they open, do they drop everything at a time, or do they?
Good question. That I do not know.
Or
Because
do they
we've
wait for the
never
corresponding
had-
date and they say, okay, during those months or
Correct,
those
because
days?
we've never had one that's been that long, right? This is a record. Usually it's like, I think the longest before that was a couple of weeks. So numbers were still being produced, but now, what the heck is this?
Yeah.
Right? So it's a little bit difficult. And as well, not only are they going to be produced, but can they be relied upon with such no staff there,
Yes,
nobody working? So
I will probably expect a lot of revisions in those numbers. Like, you know, like how they put like, oh, the CPI is 365, and then they say there is a revision because there was a couple things that didn't make any sense. So, yeah. So, by any chance, is there any name that you are willing to trade for the open?
Well, right now, when we're looking at the market, and even if we're looking at our
Watch
tickets,
list, yeah,
right,
okay.
our watch list that we've got, it's quite red at the moment. Like you said, there's been quite a significant pullback from SPY. But it seems like we've got a bottom, and a strong bottom for SPY.
I'm
So
gonna
it
check my
could
levels
be-
while you're talking about
Yeah,
that, because like that I can
absolutely.
relay on the
Yeah,
level
to
or
see
not.
if you've got the same levels, right? So I think that's important. So when we're looking at the pullback, it seems to be very strong at 678.90. So 678.90, that seems to be 678.90 seems to be, or 678.40 seems to be between those two.
You want me to tell you what is my
No, yeah, sure.
my level right there is at 678.50. We're
Right in the middle
yeah,
of the two.
yeah.
So I've got the good level. Okay, so when we're looking at that 678, it's trading right now, SPY at 680.50. So pullback, I'm expecting a pullback at the open and a bounce following that. So we'll see what's going to happen.
So I'm gonna clear up the lines I have right now here, just to put the one 679. I have 49, 679.49. So yeah, sorry for interrupting.
No, not at all, not at all. So this is what I'm expecting. We'll see if that's going to be happening.
So you're expecting a SPY to go to 679 and then bounce.
I'm expecting yes.
Yeah, that makes sense to me, because that's actually the predominant level right there.
And we'll
for me.
see, right? We've got some there. We do have some of the competition right now, because when we're looking at SPY,
So
though
9.6.
we've got bigger numbers to the bid going down to that level, we also have good numbers to the offer. And for that, we're looking at 681.30. So is it possible that it's going to go to the VWAP and then pull back because of that competition that's there? It's definitely possible, because when we're looking at the top, we've got that 681. Right now, though, when we're looking at the RSI and we're looking at the imbalance, it seems to be to the sell. So we will see what's going on into that piece. But when we're looking at the PCL, holy cannoli, it's high, right? So
Yeah.
there's a whole lot of movement that can happen once that pullback happens. So we will see.
You know, the 679.50, I'm gonna move it to 679.26. The reason why
There's one at,
and it's aligned with the 400 moving average. So there is a high probability of like about there, pretty much.
so that makes sense, right?
It's still very close, you know. It's so around there. So
So we've got Circle as well that's top there, and Circle is interesting. CRCL at 85. That seems to be a very big bottom, and we'll see what's a big support there. So it's pulling back to that 85. I'll see how it's going to react to there. We also have open.
market just open. As I say, I'm gonna be patient at the open because I don't have a clear trade right now. But once I have a clear trade, I'm gonna make sure I share it with whoever I show up. So you have open, okay? You are getting open. So I gonna like as Marie say, things are looking short-ish. So right now that the market open, Nvidia seems to be still trading in a high volume. So let's see Nvidia. Do I want to go long Nvidia? That's the question. 191. Oh yeah, it should be good there. So let's try a little long on Nvidia there. Let's see how it goes. So very fast trade, very intuitive. Like I don't have to shoot it too many times because the way it's looking like. But if it works, it's going to work right away, or it's going to prove me wrong right away. So
Okay.
I just think that we are a little bit too far from the moving average. So we're going to add a little bit more right there, and then we see what it wants to do. So just like that. So hands on the wheels right now. Let's see what this guy wants to do. And no adding more. That was just as a possibility. So why do I have Nvidia long? Because there is a level right there, and because it is quite far right now from the 200 moving average. So I know that we can keep tanking from there, but I think we have a high probability of going above the VWAP. I know we haven't been trading above the VWAP for a long time, especially, but we did some trading above the VWAP during the pre-market. So probably we're gonna be taking partial soon. Yeah, like as I say, I have hands on the wheels in that bad boy. So. Did you still you are still open, or you
No,
went
open
circle?
got me out. So I'm looking at circle now at the 85, see what it's going to do. So SPY.
Yeah, this trade need to hold 190 for me to be trusting it. 190 have a 1,000 lot plus another 200, and we broke. Okay, let's see how far we go from there. As I say, hands on the wheel. So
So SPY pulled back to the 679.80.
yeah, I make it back to Nvidia, but let's wait for let's look at SPY. I have SPY in the other chart here, but like the 190 seems to be a good price. So, but let's see SPY. Man, look how it reject the 680.85. So Nvidia still bleeding Nvidia. So I want to go long Nvidia one more time. I know that yesterday that's how I got killed, but 189. So I got Nvidia 189 one more time. So that should work. That should work. Remember what we print at 190. So if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to let it quiet. So
Okay.
Marie is trading circle, I guess.
Yeah.
So this trade is in cruise control right now. I have stop loss on CRCL, right? What are you looking on it? Oh, that's it. That's a Marie trade.
I'm thinking.
The tape is a little bit sketchy. If you see here at
Correct.
the offer, we have nothing like more than 100 lot at 85.50. Then we have at 87, but definitely it can go higher. So
When you're looking at circle in the 60 minutes, that is a strong level.
let's go there actually. 60 minutes. Holy crap! Like this thing. How did it went that low? Rigetti. Will you guess the price of Rigetti without looking at it? Say a number.
30.
It's unbelievable. It's below there.
No.
26 something.
What?
Actually, it went to 2601 to be precise. So, Rigetti, we can give it a shot to Rigetti actually. Let's see, Rigetti, what are you, Rigetti? The volume is higher today. So let's try 26 on Rigetti. Let's see if we ever get the entrance. So 26.0. I'm gonna front run it by the penny. Let's see if it wants to do anything. So Rigetti, I'm trying like this go around a lot, you know, like it does a lot of choppy things before it really move. So I have Nvidia and I have an order to get Rigetti. Nvidia is not working. I could add to Nvidia because it's looking okay.
Okay.
But due to the fact that I have 2 days taking the same trade and that one haven't worked, so I'm gonna wait for it a bit. What is going on in those tapes? Look at the volume. That volume is giving me a lot of hopes. Like.
Okay, so just so that we know,
Yeah,
SPY getting really close to the level we've identified.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. It actually across my level.
Okay, for me, it's right.
Like I have a stronger
Remember, I
level.
said 678, 80
Mhm.
to 678. It could be right there.
But it got slowed down at the 50.
Mm-hmm.
So 678.50 now will be my target. Like so, and then I will be expecting it to bounce.
Yeah, so that's what you said. The 50. There's a big position at the 60. That seems to be front running it a little bit
Yeah,
there,
and that will make sense
right?
because it have been beaten down like quite a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, now we want to see a SPY going above that blue line here and holding above. So for anybody in the chat, if at any point you feel that whatever I'm saying is not clear enough, or you don't understand why I would take X or Y trade, feel free to ask because we have a lot of time here to talk and to like. I mean, it's sometimes we take those trades and Maria and I are just telling a story to each other until we wait for the trade to manifest. So Rigetti went back down but didn't get me by the penny. So Nvidia still bleeding. So unfortunately I might want to be out if it's not gonna be working. So look at SPY. SPY bounced the by the penny right now with the front running of the 678.60. So Nvidia fast and furious toward the downside. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let Nvidia go. So we are out of Nvidia. I'm gonna walk away from Nvidia. So right now we're gonna get some Rigetti, and if ever it pull back, we're gonna get more. But
Okay. Let's go. Right now, CRCL is working circle, is working very, very well. The bounce off the 85 that we talked about went very, very well.
Zach is just there saying, "Good job, Marie." Good morning, Zach. Yeah.
Good morning, Zach. I took a Marie training.
CRCL. Yeah. She's doing good on that one.
Very nice, very nice. I'll really make sure to check. We've got some position at the 88 there. I'm hoping that that was an SSR bounce. It's SSR. The ticket is SSR, so when we're looking at how it react at 85, like what a pullback. We're talking October, right? So less than a month ago, and there it is. What a wick right there.
And Zach, oh, wow. Yeah, he has a question. He says, so that worked well because it hold the VWAP on the pre-market. That's his exact questions. He's saying if he's asking if it works well because he hold the VWAP in the pre-market.
Yes, well, when we're looking at the VWAP, and not only the VWAP, but right there, we've got the VWAP in my charts. We've got the VWAP, we've got the 50 EMA, and we've got the 200 EMA, and we've got the PCL. So not only that it was above all these levels and holding all these levels, when it pulled back exactly to that low at 85. So I'm thinking it's going to work well. I'm hoping, there's no way I was going to take it short as well. 85 now, there seems to be another person or another order that's there. So we'll see if it's going to be, we're going to pull back to the latecomer. I wouldn't want it to pull back way below 86, to tell you the truth, for the trade to be still valid. It cannot make a lower low, right? So if it makes a lower low, we might be losing that 85 level, but 85 is quite strong as a support level, and it seems like it's reacting well to it. But you are correct, Zach. It's not only the VWAP, but it's all those levels that are way above. So when I go through the list in the morning, I look at the charts and what looks like it would be at a bottom level, at a very strong support level, close to it, or at a very strong resistance level. And then I kind of look and look at the tapes and the orders and what is looking there. And then we'll see that 85 is still there.
And you were like, just in case you didn't look at it, look at Rigetti, Zach. Like you were talking about the sell-off in Rigetti. Like when you say that, I think Rigetti was like at $40 probably. Right now it's trading at 26. He got cut in half. So I don't know. I don't know if you remember your comment from last week. That's why I say like you were totally right there. It's like this thing is looking ugly.
Okay, so now SPY, I am a little bit concerned about SPY. SPY is really pulling back through these levels.
Yeah, I got out of Rigetti just out of trying to not be a smoke in there. So
okay, so now I'm not liking what it's doing.
no.
No, not at all.
Yeah, I got out of Rigetti exactly at the wrong time, but it's okay. What is going on in this market? Hey, like it's just looking crazy, you know. It's
So the map is really, really, as we can just imagine, with these pullbacks.
Really red, yeah, it's really bloody.
Wow, the sector map is really, really red.
Did you see the massive volume that came on SPY when it was through everything, but like SPY specifically, we can see it very clear how it sell off, like with very, very heavy volume. Like, look at the volume here.
That's insane.
Yeah. Do you think it can be a third day without the trade manifesting?
For which one?
You know, I have been looking long everywhere, like Nvidia, for example, Rigetti, the same Rigetti. Like, I know it pulled back a lot, but like everything feels so long. Like, is the pullback at least easing up a bit today or not? Like, you know, it's nice because I can answer that on my own. I am asking myself, and then I say, just go and look at SPY on a daily chart. Not much hope for the answer. It's looking like if it wants to go lower. Yeah, like the 200, like the 20 moving average is still there for a SPY.
Mm-hmm.
And you haven't touched it. So why wouldn't you be able to touch it? You can do it like easily. Yes, Marie.
I knew 85 was strong, but
For your circle?
jeez.
That circle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's literally 85, 90, 85, 84, 85, 85. And right now it's lost it. Okay, bye-bye. Good job.
Maxi. So I'm trying to be more active in here because, as you can see, Zach, like we have. Marie doesn't bring good stories, so.
You're funny.
I know I am. I'm kidding.
You're funny.
Let's see Rigetti. Rigetti at 26. Okay. So I'm trying to add to Nvidia. I have a very clear price what I want to add. So I removed already some. So let's see if we can add. Still circle?
No.
What is it now?
Open.
Open?
So it's open and circle.
Nice.
And you, Nvidia?
Mm-hmm. Nvidia, but in a way different operantus modes. Like right now, I'm assuming that it won't go anywhere. So if it won't go anywhere, let's play that game. That's why you're gonna hear me like taking partial here and there, like just like that. And now I'm gonna, I'm gonna add one more time. But I'm gonna put the order at the price is smoking people. So rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Why? Because it doesn't wanna go anywhere. So I think I had like you wanna play around, like let's play around under your terms. It's gonna force me to take another partial probably. So what is the mentality here that I was talking about? You see, it's going like it's trying to break the VWAP. Well, they haven't broke it. Like you haven't done the trade for about 3 days now. Mm-hmm. So me assuming that it won't do it. So I just gonna partial add, partial add, partial add. And
Great
like,
idea.
if the trade really move, yes, you miss the big move, but at least you are cashing out little here, little there, and it's like. Maybe that's what I'm supposed to be doing every day. But right now, in my daily life, my brain is trying to do a very slow thing and then a very fast thing. And like I say, why I'm doing that? You know, like instead of just figuring that out. Okay, right there, we're gonna take another partial.
So when we're looking at SPY and the RSI,
Mm-hmm.
It's not a weak RSI, but there's definitely some
Yeah, but
resistance there.
did you look back at the levels that we had?
Mm-hmm. That is a level, right?
Yeah, like they are. You're gonna show SPY again. Look at SPY. So it broke the level. Now it claimed it. So now it have all the reasons to go higher. So I add to Nvidia one more time. And let's leave it okay around there. So yeah, SPY this is a common behavior that we see. Went down. Once it claimed the level, it tested, go back up, and now it's like so. I add to Nvidia because I sense the tape being quite bullish.
Mm-hmm.
So, but we're gonna take partials right away, pretty much. I hope it doesn't print 88 because I had my order originally at 88,
Mm-hmm.
and then it didn't look like if it wants to go to 88, so I didn't add.
Like you said, there's a lot of news today, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And it's starting at 10.
But they have no time.
Oh, okay.
So there is a low probability that those numbers will come out. What's up?
What's up?
Open, and you're going short,
No.
long. Let's take a look at the open. Yeah, holding the view up quite well. Let's take a quick look at PLTR. That guy have been beaten down a lot. It's
You could be right for the economic data.
mhm.
We might not be getting.
Yeah, that's. Well, it's not me. It's the app. The app say no times on it. So if we have no times in the app, it's because it's likely that the numbers doesn't come out.
there's a lot of people shorting the market right now.
I hope they are right. I hope. Have you noticed that the VIX have a little spike?
Oh, no.
Which I don't know why, but I have the weird question of why I haven't taken any short in the last 3 days, 4 days.
Good question. Why didn't you?
Uh, well, I like I know like what I can say as like to keep it simple is like I don't see the setup as a short. Like I don't see the longevity in the shorts. I see the longevity in the longs actually, and like probably because of that. Does that mean I'm right? I don't think so. It's just like would I have better results if I was just taking shorts instead? And the answer is not necessarily because you don't believe in them. And like, don't get me wrong, some of the trade I took long were very good. It's just that I was already red. Like, yeah, so just watch out. O sería que estaban ciegas las mujeres cigüeyanas. Por un caminito yo te voy a buscar, lejos y yo te encontré. Por un caminito yo te... Feliz porque estoy junto a ti. Nunca tú me olvides que eres para mí. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar muy lejos. Me encontré. ¡Hostia! Es que tenéis una buena historia para mí, ¿eh? No. Los españolitos. PLTR.
Okay, we've got SPY gaining strength here.
Que nos une, que acaricia tu corazón. Es el tiempo que se espera. Yeah, did you guys see what SPY did? Like, and like, we are always so premature here. Like, you know, like, it went down, broke all those levels. Like, hold it here. He's saying, no, I don't want to hold it. Look at the candles right now. It took 2 minutes to break through instead of like 15. So, oh, why you don't want to take a short? Well, because there is not a short setup, my guy. There is not a short setup. So, I'm a tape reader, and the tape is saying, no, don't go short, my guy. Don't go short.
Well, what was funny?
Did you
is
see my
that-
entry on PLTR?
No.
No, there. Like, look in there.
Oh my God, that is the bottom of the bottoms. Perfect entry.
No crappy traders here, you know. So what did you say?
Oh, I love it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, what were you saying?
No, that look at SPY, right? We talked about 680.78 and 678. You said 678.50.
Oh, but like, yeah.
And when we're looking, I had 678 as well.
Look
And
at the interaction with the
beautiful,
level. Like, look
right?
how
It's beautiful.
how is it possible that it got trapped exactly in the two lines that we put? Tuk, 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 tuk.
Right there.
And then when it break to the bottom again, it find that resistance here, smoking people, and then it whoop went through the three of them. Oh, the VWAP is the top of the line right now. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, you know, I'm sorry for my mugging. Mugging the market.
You're mocking.
Mocking the market.
Mock.
Que te espera, es el tiempo que soy yo.
¿Qué?
Que acaricia tu corazón. Me te espera. Probably I got the same entry. Probably. No, I don't think I have the same entry on Nvidia, but wow, it's not that bad, you know. It's not that bad either. But
It's pretty good. So right now, SPY.
needs to go higher to 680.85.
I've
What?
got 680.72.
But this is a point of not staying trapped in there, you know. It shouldn't stay trapped in there. Those levels were kind of mature. So
RGTI.
for 2 days the market have been very choppy, and I don't know if the first day, like I'm talking about Wednesday and Tuesday. Yeah, RGTI should be skyrocketing right now from 26.
It's very close.
It's way above 26,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
So when we're looking at our GTI right now, at 26 it was to the penny. A bounce to the penny.
Yeah. I took that trade. It's just I say I got out exactly at the wrong time, because I got out and then it moved, but it's okay. I didn't even wait for the stop loss. I got out myself, like because I say it's looking like crap. Just for the fun of it, I don't see it because where I am sitting, unless I tilt it that way, the map is becoming green right now.
A little bit.
A little.
It's not as crazy as it was.
Just follow it and you will see how green it will be in a couple minutes.
Okay. Yeah, because right now
It's coming green.
Correct. We've got some players that are.
It's a weird feeling that we have for the market, because we it's like if I feel where the wind is going, it's like that map is becoming green right now. Maybe they talk to China and say, sell the news, sell the news. We're gonna buy the back here,
Sell the news, sell the news.
Oh, yeah. What? I'm kidding. You're laughing at me, huh?
What? What you saying to me?
You're laughing at me.
With you.
So I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit. I want to show something to Marie. right? So Rigetti, doing Rigetti things. So PLTR bound, like going back down. It's looking ugly right now, and he can come back up. That's for sure.
Which one?
PLTR, but the spice, like again, like it's not like saying that we were right or anything, but like Mary, look at the bounce on the spy from the top. Like it went 685, 680, 85 by the penny, and then it tumbled down again, and now it's breaking levels that are not nice. So that means it will need way more strength to go back up. I will stay put here. Like I'm expecting it to not break 678 50.
Okay.
So let's see. They are selling quite heavy
RGTI.
on PLTR. All right. Again, to remember where was the strength here is probably what is killing me, but you have Rigetti now.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay, so when we're looking at SPY, wow. That's impressive for AMD.
What did the AMD do?
To be that green, to start off that green, and now it's red.
Pas facile, mon ami. Chill out, my friend. Chill out. Just let it do whatever it wants to do. Spy, what the heck are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Talk to me. Let me know what are your like. Why is it going down that way? We knew that the numbers were not coming out, so right?
Yeah. Look at that SPY. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oof. We still have some good orders to the bid with SPY. For our GTI, Davey,
Yes, boss.
do you have a level at 2580?
Yes, boss.
I seem to remember that, but that was
Precisely.
a long time ago.
If we want to be precisely, it's 2571, 2569. Yeah. I'm gonna drop it though. I'm gonna put it there. So it's at 2568. That is the actual price. 2568. Trying to look at SPY. SPY still have a possible downside of 677.38, which doesn't look good. That's a for sure.
Yeah, there's an order at 677.40.
Look at my level right here. 677.38. Hell yeah. Ah, you just got there. You just got there.
When did you start drinking coffee, Davey?
When I started university, probably at the 19 years old, something like that.
Okay.
I would say between 18 or 19, because at 17 I wasn't, like, probably I did drink coffee before, but I wasn't drinking coffee like regularly.
Okay.
So, yeah. Holy crap, Zach. I see your text.
What happened?
He took a very good trades. Like, look at those trades. Like that. Short, out, short, out.
Ho ho!
So,
Goes I go.
he said he took that in his real account and it's looking very good. He already kept the profit. Very nice, very, very nice, my guy. Yeah, I see. Like dead on by the penny. Yeah, I'm glad you were able to take those trades. Like, remember we talked a little bit about that last week, and yeah, little by little, little by little. Yeah, but like you still did very good by like by going out completely. Like you seem to have very clean out. Like let's look at that again. Like yeah, yeah. Maybe in the second one you leave a little bit too much in there, but like at least you kept a good amount compared with what you were risking. So very good risk to reward ratio. That's my guy. My guy.
I like that you guys do that.
Hey. Don't go home. Please don't go. So let's take a look back at SPY. Ay, ay, ay. I'll be back in a second. This is getting cold here. All right, we are back. In JPLDR.
Why are you so cute, eh? I know.
Jumbo, abajo.
I know.
Come down.
What you talking about, Papa?
Leave me quiet.
So what do you see as levels with SPY right now?
Well, like SPY shouldn't be trading down there, but it is trading down there. So to be honest, I know I'm doing wrong right now. So but like right now, SPY can go to 674.12. It has a checkpoint before, and that checkpoint is right there at 676.00. It could be 676.10, 676.11, but it doesn't look like if he wants to hold. So we're gonna have to just be patient there.
Okay.
If he broke through that 674.12, is doable. It's just so annoying that it really went there, like because it was making us believe that it wasn't going to go there. What I mean by that, if you see a SPY here on the chart, like what it did, like he broke the level here, it was resistance, all the way down, hold here because there was decent size here, went all the way up and then all the way down. So why do you made us believe that you're gonna go higher? Like it's normal. Like the market is like I have been saying this, that the market lately is even better at making you fool. Like oh, we're gonna go this way. No, it's the other way. Yeah, that's a very good news, Zach. What you told me about you being able to trade next summer, like next session. So pretty cool stuff. And let's see. Oh yeah. Did you see how clean SPY bounced from the, like, it wasn't super clean, but like it just pierced it like 11 cents. So that's a nice bounce, but like, will it hold? Like, well, we will see. You wanna bet today?
4?
I say SPY finish the day green today. Green or flat, like in the green, but like green, like it actually is just red or green. Do you agree on that?
SPY green today?
I say SPY is gonna be green at the end of the day. Do you agree on that?
No.
Okay, do we have a bet for the day?
Absolutely.
We have two bets, so I have to win one of them, you know? And this is an easy one. Well, I think it's an easy one.
You would?
I think it's an easy one because she doesn't believe on it, but I don't want to. I would prefer to have a better term for saying market manipulation. I would like to have a better term to say that because I don't like it. It has a negative connotation, and people think that is a overpowerful thing that is doing that, and like it's just market participation. So, but for now, because I don't have a better term, that's what I'm gonna say. What you are seeing right now, the market going the way it's going, is a bit of market manipulation. And why is a lack of a better term? I use that because it's normal behavior. It's things that have been there forever in the market. It's just like if you never make peace with it, you're always gonna be a victim. But it's normal. It's what the market does, you know. So that's the game. If it will be so obvious, everybody will do it, you know, and like then there is no money to be made.
Mm.
Oh, honey, da 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 da.
Well, Spy's still pulling.
Yeah, I'm looking at it while he's doing that thing.
You still have your long-term Tesla?
Yes, it's doing like crap. Oh, it's doing that like crap. It's up a lot, but I left a lot of. I should liquidate that very long ago. Though I am following my plan because I say I want to liquidate whenever you go above 500,
Okay.
but I do have a deal. Did you hear any bad news about it? Or
No.
or something like
No, I was just looking, and it seems like it's got quite a pull.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the market is quite bearish in those days, and looking like, doesn't feels like, but it's looking like. So I know I'm being way hard-headed on those things, but I have to respect my tape. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna put on the board the Mariana has a bit, half a bit. Right, we are back. So here we are, just trying to survive. Like today have been horrible for me. Like not horrible, but like it's like bad trading for Davey. So hopefully Marie did better. Like
No.
no, I know you told me you hold Rigetti for too long, but
I hold Rigetti way too long. So Rigetti was, I kept saying, hey, you know what? This is a Marie trade. And I held Rigetti way too long. I walked away from Circle Long at 85, 20, at 84.25.
and that never went too down, like too much toward the downside. It went, it sunk about like it went down a bit, like around 9:45 or thing, but like it recuperated a lot. Like it went back to what, like to 88, 88.50. So are you red or green for now?
Oh, red.
Red.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, red. Significantly red.
If I finish the day red today, like I am red right now, like, but like if I finish the day red today, tomorrow I'm gonna come with a like, let's get A plus or nothing, you know, because
Agreed with you.
yeah, like I have been taking some of them like poor setup trades, but like it's not also like, as I said before, I have a strong conviction that like, which is nothing, the market do whatever the market want to do, you know,
Yeah.
but like what I'm saying is like,
We can have conviction coming out to Yahoo, but
yeah, like, but like because I decided to not go short, and I decided consciously, so that have been acting against me, and I say that, but like for example, Circle, you if you go long or short, you can get smoke in that one in both directions. In Nvidia, I think the story is different. Like yeah, Nvidia, if you went short, you were okay, but my hope was that we were so far from those moving averages that I say we have to go back to them, you know, like. But it's like, is the market this bearish for real? And you say that like it's a question that will be funny, like that may sound funny because like you say that after the market's really looking bearish, so you know. But yeah,
right?
it's,
And right now, if I'm looking at the heat map, everything's back to red.
back to red, like quite well red, well red. So yeah, that's it. Let's see.
I did put some levels, so we'll see what's going to happen.
For a spy, or for all the things.
Further things. So right now, God, we just have a build up on a position. Oh, come on, man. 675.
Yeah, that's not good. If it goes there, it's not good.
Who's that? Okay, so that's TQQ. And then we've got Tesla, super big volume.
Tesla is 5.6% down. You know, just that much. Like I don't know if you have here any news about anything, but like I don't have much news. I will actually double check now that I am saying that, but like I didn't see anything news related that should be moving the market that much. So Trading Economist. So yeah, if you see all the relevant data, it's not coming out according to this app.
Hmm. I was looking at Baba.
Ba, 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 ba. What do you think there? Just I have no idea. I've asked landlord, just asking out of like. So,
675. Are you kidding me?
I'm just seeing a spy breaking through, and it's like.
Is there anything hitting a bottom? Okay. What's strong out there?
What is a strong order? SAC is a strong order. Do you hear that?
What you hearing?
I'll be back. I think I know what it is. Back. Yeah, the worst has happened.
Hmm?
The worst has happened already to SPY. Did he print 60? No, no, not the worst. The worst case scenario here that I can see. 673.50, which is quite low yet, but it's and if we take the same approach to other things, let's see. Okay.
Okay, so SPY there, 675 interacted. Are you still with Rigetti?
No, I don't have Rigetti anymore. And I was looking at it less than 2 minutes ago, and it doesn't look that pretty, you know. The 2478 has a level. Do you have that?
I'm long 2496. I've got 2550. Tape seems to be flipping slowly.
Your upside potential, if ever it does work, is 2850. But I will extremely doubt that it will go past that.
So SPY. Tell me you've hit the bottom there. Please say.
You know that I have the bottom of SPY like about $2 below that.
Ooh.
So, like my expectations are $2 more down.
And we're all in longs.
Yes. When you say all, you and I, or
Yeah.
or more people too.
No, we're in longs. A lot of people got smoked thinking, hey, you know what, this is a good support level. This is where we're talking about. So yeah, a lot of smoking, a lot of
And when we were taking our little break, we were saying those things, and it's like, at the end of the day, it will be good that we, at least today, like just for today, to come back and check how it looks like. Basically, if we see people buying during the afternoon, then we were right, and okay, let's keep going that way. Even if we finish the day red, like even if we finish red, if the trade manifests during the afternoon and we don't have it, we have to storage that, because so I'm gonna start wrapping it up, Marie, because it's time. So for me, I am red right now. I was green Monday, then Wednesday I was red by a little bit, No, Tuesday I was red by a little bit, then Wednesday by a little bit more. So whatever profit I made during Monday, I have gave it away. But yeah, right now I'm red in the week, red for the day. So can it change? Yes, it's easy to change. It's just like, yeah, patience haven't been the best. Stubbornness, like I didn't put stop loss in certain trades, so like I let them go way too far. Though I believe in them, but yeah, so here Rigetti, I was going long here. I got myself out. That was looking like crap, and you see it manifest toward the downside. So I'm glad I came out of that one. So then like the first one I traded was Nvidia. I took a lot of trades on Nvidia. So I went long on Nvidia, add to the long, it didn't work. Went long again, didn't work. Went long again, partial, add, partial, add. Got out here, and then I bought it back right away. That was a good price to buy it.
Okay.
But then I didn't partial auto, and then I let it go all the way down. So shame on me on that one, but yeah, whatever. So PLTR, I thought I got a good price here, and now it's like all the way down here. So PLTR have been selling like crazy. So are those trades that I am able to hold for the rest of the day? Yes, the answer to that is clear. Yes, I will be okay holding. And yeah, why would I hold those things? Well, like I'm gonna explain it. Like we have, I believe today, based on the tape, based on experience, something like that, we believe. Marine doesn't believe that the market will finish red, but we do believe in the long a bit together.
The Marshall, no, I don't believe it's gonna finish green.
Yeah, but like we have a bet on that one, where I say to Marie that SPY is gonna finish the day green. Marie say it's gonna finish red. But basically, like, why did I have all this? Like, the market has about, well, the whole week up to now, that I haven't been taking shorts because the tape and the price action is telling me this is a long. So the long wasn't able to smoke me until today probably, but like not saying that they didn't work that good either. But I mean, like in here, like basically at the open we reject that here. We went all the way down here, we broke this level, we broke this one. Then we hold this level, like as you like making us believe, like your long is right, just keep it there. So then he pierced it again, and then he went with even more strength toward the upside. And then I say, damn it, so we are right. So
We're
let's
right for the low.
So when he did this, I had in the stocks I am holding, I had good profit, but I decided to not take it because I was believing that it was going to go higher. And then it just tumbled down. Look, by the penny. That was a level that I put there. And by the penny, it just rejected. When broke level 1, broke level 2, went all the way down here. And right now, I think it's going to go even lower. So I think it's going to go to 673.20 something. So, but hopefully I am wrong on that one. So, yeah, like, how do I think that it's gonna be green? I think it's gonna get there to the 673 and then it's gonna pop up like quite aggressive. But yeah, don't listen to me today. I am a little bit tilted on my trades, though I am psychologically pretty good about it. I kind of, if I want to use a way to say it, is I kind of don't care whatever they do. It's not a size that can hurt me. It's just like I was wrong and that's it. And like yeah, if he smoked me, I have a lot of profits from like the last 2 weeks that I will be able to play even more aggressive than that if I want to. I just don't want to because I don't want to make it catastrophic. So let's keep it functional, let's survive another day to trade. So yeah, so that's it for me. As I say, red for today again, but we're gonna see how we end the day. What about you, Marie?
Okay, so right now, very much same story as you. It's being wrong and taking longs, right? So I took Circle twice today. So I took Circle, which was a long at 85.10 long. It wicked up to 86, did not take any partial, and got out at 84, 38. So I was thinking, hey, you know what? It's gonna bounce. It did not bounce at the 85 that I was thinking about.
Yeah, I see there.
Right? It consolidated, but then went through. So I went out. I said, I'm not gonna take too much of a loss, but it bounced at 84 very nicely. So it went 84 to 88, 25, then pulled back down. I took it again as a long at when it interacted with the VWAP and went through, and I
Okay,
broke
right here.
even. Yeah, so I took it at 85, 75, and then I just broke even. I said, I don't like the tape. It's very mixed consolidation. So that was that. Then it was open that I traded. So I went long open. Again, just seeing longs here, right? So I went long at 9, and then it pulled through.
Holy crap.
I kept my long at 9.
And all the way back up.
It went all the way back up, and
No,
no, the
partial.
first time actually I took it long, I got out once. That was it. Then I took it long again at 896. I took a partial, one partial only at 926, and then I got out at broke even. So that was my open trade. And the one that really smoked me was RGTI. So for me, RGTI, when I'm looking at a day chart, when I am looking at the day chart, when I'm looking at the 60 minutes, when I'm looking at where it is now, I say, okay, you know what, this is fantastic. We're looking at a really strong level at 25, but right now what the tape was telling me was that, remember the 26 level, that was very strong. So I went long at 26, added again, because, you know, I was sure that it was long. So added again at 26.50, de-risked at one point, and added again, then I went in, no, that's right, I got out. That's when I got out. I said, okay, yeah, that's going to blow down past 25. So I got out of the trade at 26.73, and that was sadly, a 4 hard loss. So now I went back into the trade, but lo and behold, at 24.90 into the long.
Which
So
is a
I
good
took
price.
a partial at 25.60, and I am still in the trade right now. We will see what's going to happen. Right now it seems like SPY found some resistance at 675, but we do have still some pullback. It seems like we still have some pullback on the tape. So that's where we are right now. So I'm still on the trade in our GTI. It seems like 24.80 was a good bounce, and yeah, we'll see what I've got a full position here. It's interacting with the 50. If this trade work, like Davey said earlier, with the potential of going back to the PCL at 28.30, if Davey's right, we're gonna finish green. So I'm hoping for you to be right in the trade today, Davey, with SPY. So
If not, I'm gonna get fired.
good job. Let's go. We want to have a little bit of green here. RGTI, I mean, come on, right? It's been like less than a month ago, it was $58. So is there still a really good possibility? Hey, if it goes to the PCL, I'm definitely green for today. So let's
Nice.
hope that that's going to happen. But right now, I am going to be taking my next partial at, we've got a position here. We've got positions at 25.75, 95, and 26. 26 being the VWAP. So we've got the anchor VWAP at 26, and then 26.10, we've got the VWAP, and we've got the 200. Is there a possibility of pulling back there? Absolutely. The tapes, I've just been going flip. So seems like we still have some possibility of a pullback, but let's hope not.
Understood.
And that's it for me.
Okay. So that's everything for today. So let's see how we finish the day. Tomorrow we're gonna be back in here. So, but for now, just don't do the mistakes we do, and I hope you have a good trading day.